Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about the radicals. First of all, if you see in your book, the definitions of radicals said that any atoms or group of atom when carry a charge either negative or positive is called radical. Actually, when a atom want to gain the maximum stability, that is to fulfill the valence shell electronic configurations by octet or duplet, that means octet means to fill by 8 electrons in their outermost shell, and in case of duplet 2 electrons. Maximum case octet rules followed all other elements except helium and hydrogen, because helium and hydrogen you know that follows duplet rule. So first we have to understand the concept of radical and how radical forms. When an atom, suppose take sodium, sodium atom, the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. That means if we draw the diagram of sodium, that is first cell, that is K shell contain 2, K shell contain 2 and L shell contain 8. L shell contain 8, that is 2, 8, and the outermost shell contain only 1. And if sodium atom want to gain the maximum stability, then it should remove the outermost electron. Then the next configurations will be 2, 8. Next cells contain 8 electron in that cell. So that means stable cell. It becomes stable. It becomes octet. It fulfills the octet rule. That's why sodium atom, when remove this electron, it convert to like this: sodium to eight, that is 2,8 configuration. And if any atom remove their electron, it converts to a positive charge, or it carry a positive charge. So sodium becomes sodium plus. So sodium, when remove a electron, it becomes sodium plus. And the neutral sodium atom becomes a radicals, that means carry a positive charge, so it becomes radicals. Similarly, when take another example, similarly if we take chlorine atom, chlorine, that is chlorine 17, the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. So when chlorine atom want to gain the stability, so either it can remove the 7 electron the outermost to gain the next 8 electron structure, or it can gain 1 electron to fill the outermost shell by 8. So it's simple to say that it is easier to gain one electron to fulfill the octet rule. That's why chlorine atom try to gain one electron in their outermost shell to fulfill the octet like this. First case, the configuration is like that. One, but when it gains one electron, it becomes 8. That is, outermost shell becomes 288. Previously it is 287, but by gaining one electron, it becomes 288, and it forms a negative charge. Because electron, when an atom gains an electron, it becomes a negative charge. That is chlorine minus atom. So chlorine accepts one electron and it becomes chlorine minus. So this is the radicals of chlorine. Okay. Here chlorine gain one electron, that's why it becomes negative. If any atom lose electron, then this will become that atom will become a positive radical. So now it is clear that an atom, when gain a charge either positive or negative, it becomes radical. But in definition, there is another term, that is group of atom. What is the meaning of group of atom, and what are the example of group of atom becomes or forms radicals? So another example that clearly mentions the group of since the definition contains a term, that is group of atom. So we have to take another example. Suppose NH4 plus. This is an example of radical, but this is group of atom, because here nitrogen is present, one nitrogen and 4 hydrogen. So one nitrogen and 4 hydrogen combine to form NH4 plus radicals, NH4 plus other NH4 plus, and this is the example of a positive radical for group of atom presence here. And another example is that we take CH3 C double O minus. This is a negative radical. This is a negative radical, but here group of atom is present, that is 2 carbon atom, 3 hydrogen atom and 2 oxygen atom, and it forms group of radicals. Sorry, group of atoms forms radicals. This is a good example, and another one is example. That's all. Okay. Please subscribe my channel to view more video. Okay, and day by day we will progress, and next day I will discuss about the chemical bonding. Okay, and take some example and solve those kind of problem related to the chemical bonding and radicals concept. Okay, thank you.